Hi everyone, so this will be a very quick video about Van Cleef and Arpels service pack, and there will be another video about the same service pack from Cartier, so you can see what's the difference and how they looks like. So once you're gonna buy, for example, necklace, like in this case, you can extend the chain up to 5 centimeters, I believe, and this within a year is free of charge. So I decided, and it takes around 4, 5, 6 weeks. It depends of which boutique it's gonna make it. So you have to ask in your area what's the lead time for it. So just because I've bought Van Cleef and Arpels and Cartier necklaces, I decided to extend the chain in both of them, and at the same time I've ordered service kit. So that's why I'm gonna show you how they looks like and what's the difference. So the service kit is coming in this just like normal envelope, and in this particular example that will be Van Cleef and Arpels. So that's what you're gonna get. Also there's an envelope, and you can find in the envelope information like how to pick up, how to schedule a pickup for your parcel. And in this envelope you're also gonna get another envelope, the new one, with already printed label, so you don't have to print anything, everything is attached. There's also information what you have to do with the service request form. So there's all details in here which you have to fill and sign. So that's gonna be it, and that's what you have to attach and add. And also I think Van Cleef and Arpels required the copy of the receipt. So that's how it looks like, the service kit. So we have in here well protected box, and that's how the service kit looks like. So just like slip cover, and then you have to unclick the bottoms and place your necklace or whatever you're gonna get in here. So that's a clear membrane. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna and just click it back, and it's not moving now, so it's well secured, as you can see. And that's the necklace I just bought. So that's the sweet Alhambra with Carnelian stone, and it's going to be extended. So we can also check what's the length at the beginning. So let's take this out and let's measure the chain. So I just place the chain, the necklace on the white surface, so it will be much easier to check the length of the chain. So from here to the end is almost 20 centimeters, so it's each side, it's almost 20 centimeters, so it's 40 in total. In this particular necklace is actually okay to extend it, because the pendant is not attached to the chain, so it doesn't matter. So it's floating, it's moving. With the Cartier one, it's slightly different because that's the diamond pendant and it's attached to the chain, so I'm not sure how they're gonna extend it, if they're gonna extend only one side of the chain or it will be both sides. But yeah, we are speaking only about the Van Cleef on this video, so that's how it looks like. And you can also see the pendant, it's very nice and pretty. So yeah, Let me know in the comments down below if this video was helpful for you, and to share your thoughts and experiences you had, and how long did you have to wait for your chain to be extended, for example, or different repairs. Okie dokie, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!